Hey, just got home.
That's not good. Watch it burn. Ain't nothing I'm doing. Take a best. Get a video. That's crazy, y'all. Oh yeah.
This volcanic eruption occurred in the Philippines, where the rise of lava upon contact with the lake's water triggered a violent explosion. This man is trapped in the floodwaters.
Oh man. Oh, this is scary, guys. Oh man. I swear I did not mean to swear. Holy moly.
Though an avalanche moves slowly, it can destroy everything in its path. It's hard to believe this ship weighs 230,000 tons, yet the wind pushed it so effortlessly. A rock slide tumbling from a great height presents a truly terrifying spectacle.
Grabe naman dyan na
is not always a good thing at every beach.
This is a massive hill.
Estamos viendo que
This landslide is slowly but surely sweeping away countless trees in its path.
partendo che questo arriva dalla strada.
Here comes the water.
This is absolutely incredible. This hailstone is extremely dangerous. The vehicle has sustained significant damage. This storm is so powerful that it overturned massive tankers in just a matter of seconds. Nothing truly compared the sheer power of water.